What you should know about bespoke kitchen designs. There are a number of advantages on why you should have bespoke kitchen designs instead of a pre-existing one. Designing the layout of the kitchen is not an easy task. You have to do the math to make sure that everything will fit accordingly and make it all easy for you to work around the kitchen area. A good room layout is necessary to maximize the space available and make every area, counter, sink, range, food storage, etc., functional. To make sure that everything will fit in accordingly, it is advised to get bespoke kitchen designs. Unlike before, bespoke designs are now made available in affordable prices. Development in the creation and design process has provided feasible bespoke kitchen designs options for the average home. It is important that you already have plans in your mind when you meet with a company or designer for your bespoke kitchen designs. How would you like your kitchen to look like? What kind of room layout do you prefer? Is it workable with the kitchen space you have? Is there any particular theme that you want to incorporate? All of it plus other ideas you have in mind you need to discuss clearly to your kitchen designer so you're both on the same page.